on our newest and most exciting ship, Norwegian Bliss. Race the sun on the largest racetrack at sea, zooming past Alaska's glaciers or pristine Caribbean beaches. Wage a galactic battle under the stars in a thrilling game of laser tag. Make waves in our aqua park or dare to whoosh over the side of the ship. The splashes come in all sizes in our kids' aqua park. Massage? Sauna? Salt room? Yes, please. Slide into tranquility in our spa and thermal suite. And unwind after a full day of activities back in your stateroom. From studios to family suites, we have accommodations to match every travel style. Look no further than the Haven to experience true luxury and exclusivity at sea. Your concierge and private butler await your arrival. The phrase "a room with a view" is taken to a whole new level with our 2 observation lounges that are custom built for the spectacular. Take in some fresh air and stroll the waterfront, where every seat boasts the best view in the house.
Back on the resort deck, soak up the sun and handcrafted cocktails at the beautiful outward-facing pool, while comfortably lounging and appreciating oversized art installations. Take a dip in the 25-yard lap pool and relax in one of the spectacular martini glass-shaped hot tubs. The resort deck on Edge offers so many ways to connect with the sea and the world around you. It's unlike any other outdoor space at sea. Later in the day, the magic carpet positioned off the pool deck is the perfect place for breathtaking views, tantalizing drinks, and live music. The 6 spacious cabanas that line the starboard side of the deck provide another cool hotspot for incredible outward-facing views, offering a private retreat while celebrating celebrities' design DNA. Further along the resort deck is the rooftop garden, an enchanting playscape where you can enjoy interactive games and activities throughout the day, or enjoy the not-to-be-missed evening entertainment where food and film merge during a taste of film, and the treetop sculptures come to life with live music performances. Visit the Rooftop Garden Grill under the sun or under the stars for a selection of the best burgers, brisket, or barbecue you'll find anywhere. The Rooftop Garden is a one-of-a-kind space where you can have some fun, explore, or just slow down.